Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw blue from Rainbow Friends in a Godzilla Titan form. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Rainbow Friends blue in a Godzilla Titan form, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back here in like a curvy check mark shape. Next, I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little half circle for an eye. And then over here, I'm going to make a bigger circle shape for an eye. I'm going to make two little black dots right here for the nostrils by the nose. And then right inside this eye, I'll just put a little dot in here. I'll leave this one kind of empty. Now right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up and down above each eye for like the eyebrows. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in. And then same thing here, I'm just going to go out and then in. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then bring it up here. Starting here, I'm going to make lines that's going to kind of come down and then over here. Now I want to make this mouth open, so I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then bring it up. I'm going to add some little points in here for some teeth. Then I'll do the same thing up here. We're going to add some points up here for some teeth. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up, and then I'm going to curve it around over to here. Then right up here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up. It's going to curve around and come down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down 3 times for a little point up here. I'm going to add a couple little lines right underneath the eyes. And I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve up here on each side. I'm going to connect this here, and I'll add a couple little lines right in there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. Then I'm going to make a little kind of curved line on each side as well. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come down like this. And then I'm going to make the fingers. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come up. Right here, I'm going to make lines going to come down here and then back like this. Right here, I'm going to come down this way, and I'm going to bring it up into here. And then right here, I'm going to make lines going to come down, and then we're going to bring this back up here. Then we'll add a little bit of space in between here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. We'll add another line here. And then I'm going to bring it over. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line out and then down. And then we want to come in a little bit here. And I'm going to make lines going to come down here and then up. I'll make another one that's going to come down a little bit farther and up here. One right here. Then I'll draw a line that's going to come down to here and then back. Then I'll bring this line up here. We'll just connect that there. Now starting here, I'm going to curve this line up, and then I'm going to bring this line in. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side for like the chest area. Then I'm going to make lines going to come down again on each side. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to angle down like this. And I'll do the same thing. I'm going to come down, and then we'll just angle it down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around and come back up. Do the same thing, just kind of come down, go over, and then curve it back up. Then I'll make one more smaller one right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, then I'll bring it over and come in like this. Then we'll bring it up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and then it's going to come up. I'll do another one right here. Then I'll make one that's going to kind of come off to the side there. Little line to connect. Then a little curved line here. And I'll do that same thing. I'm going to go over. I'm going to bring it up and in. Another little line, and then I'll bring it up. Then we're going to draw a little line that comes across here. Now we have our basic shape. We just want to come in here and add some different details. So I'm going to start right here on the chest. We'll just draw a little line that comes down. And then we'll make a couple little curved lines right on the sides here. Make a couple little broken lines here. And then a few little lines right there. We'll bring a couple more little lines in. Now over here on the hands, I'm going to make a few little lines that come across to make it kind of look like where the knuckles would be. So just a couple little wrinkle lines on here. Then I want to put some little lines above the toes here. I like to put multiple ones just so it looks like there's a lot of wrinkles and detail. Make some kind of broken circular lines around here, and we'll put a few more extra lines around here as well, just for like the knees. And we're going to put a couple little extra lines right around the arms and everything, and a few up here. Make a couple little extra lines on here. And we'll put just a few little lines kind of right by the fingers and everything, and a couple little extra lines over here as well, just to add some extra detail. On the face, I'm going to make a couple little lines here. And a couple more little lines right around the eyes and everything. Kind of curve this around here. And then make a couple little lines right around the neck area. Then I'll add a couple little lines right around the mouth. And then I'll just put a few more little details just kind of all over. And then right inside here, I'm going to make a little curved line for the tongue. And then, of course, we can't forget the drool coming out of the mouth right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Blue from Rainbow Friends as a Godzilla Titan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.